Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the sixth problem of Codeforces round 970 division 3, which is Sakurako's box. So this is a math problem, expected value problem, and this is probably one of the easiest expected value problems you can get in a contest. So if you are new to this concept, expected value type of concept, then you should try this problem. And this problem is quite easy, and this should not be a problem of division 3. But let's jump into the problem. So what is the problem? We are given an array of n integers, and what we have to find, we have to find the expected value of product of any two integers in the given array. So let's take one example, 323. Let's take this 323. Now what is expected value? So expected value means that we can take any two combination of the given elements. So let's take I and j. Let's take this one and this one. So the product will be 3 into 2, which is 6. Now there are other combinations also. 2 into 3 equals to 6, and 3 into 3 equals to 9. So we have to take all the possible combinations of these values, and what we have to do, we have to find the sum of all this, and we have to divide the total number of combinations. So for this the answer will be 6 plus 6 12, and plus 9 21, and the total number of combinations are nothing but 21 by 3, which is 7. So you can also take I think I and j could be anything. Okay, we can take any two elements. So you can repeat this things, like instead of 3 into 2, you can write it as 2 into 3. But that does not matter because the entire sum will be multiplied by 2, and the entire combinations will also be multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but summation of I into j. Okay, where I is less than j, or you can say summation of ai into aj, and which is nothing, and into n minus nc2 you can write. Okay, so this is nothing but summation of ai into aj divided by nc2. Okay, now for, so what, how we can write summation of summation of ai into aj? So that is the important part. This problem can be solvable in order of n square by just finding the sum of the sum of everything. So the order of n square is a brute force solution, but I am not going into that because you will easily do that. But here the constant on n is 2 into 10 to the power 5, so we have to think something linear or log n. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? Now we have to break this thing, summation ai aj. Okay, summation ai aj, where this is I from equals to 0 to n, and here j could be from j less than I. Okay, like that. So we can break this thing, instead of taking j less than I, we can take j equals to I equals to 0 to n, and j equals to 0 to n. So here the total number of combinations, instead of nc2, it will be nothing but n into n minus 1. Okay, because we are taking any I and j values. Okay, so I and j pairs can be repeated also here. I hope you get it. Now we can, as these two are independent, so we can take ai out of this summation. So we can take ai, and I equals to 0 to n, and here another condition is that j not equals to I. Okay, j not equals to I. So we can write, this is nothing but the sum of the array, sum of the entire array minus ai. We can write this, right? So summation of ai into sum minus ai. So this is the formula. We have to find summation of ai into sum minus ai, and after everything is done, we have to divide that by n into n minus 1. So this thing is quite straightforward. We have to find the sum in a order of n loop, and after that we can find ai into s minus ai quite easily. So this problem is solvable in 2 or 3 lines. Okay, and the concept is also not that difficult. Okay, so let's jump into the code. So here we are finding s as sum of a, and here answer is nothing but the uh, this one, like summation of ai into s minus ai. So that's why we are doing answer plus equals to I into s minus I. Okay, after that we have to divide it by n into n minus 1. Now this thing is also important, and I have explained this in multiple of my videos. P by q uh, divided by percent mod is nothing but p into q to the power mod minus 2 my modulo mod. Okay, so if and only if mod is prime. Okay, here mod is prime, that's why we can use this formula. Instead of p by q percent mod, we will use p into q to the power mod minus 2 into mod. Now what is q? Q is nothing but the denominator n into n minus 1, and our numerator is answer. Okay, that's why we are doing answer into n into n minus 1 to the power mod minus 2, and the entire thing modulo the mod. Okay, and we are printing the answer. I think you will understand this explanation, as the problem is quite straightforward. Just you have to grasp the concept. What is the what is expected value? I hope all of you will know that, because that is quite fundamental concept in probability. And the next part is that how we can take out the I and j, separate out I and j from the summation. That is also one important thing. As the first case, we have some condition on j I less than sorry, j less than I, or I less than j. So we have just neglected it, and instead of in C2 we are taking each and every combination. That is the another important part. And after I and j becomes independent, we are taking this as we are separating it out. So we are taking ai as outside of the inner summation, and we are taking the summation of the inside. The summation of inside is nothing but s minus ai, because we have only one condition, g not equals to I. I hope you get the explanation and the code. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. If you have any doubt in any part of the explanation or video, you can always ask in the comment section. I'll try to reply each and every comment. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also share among your peers. Thank you.